And now for a fun little delivery that is also good for those over-the-hill birthdays or even for a Halloween delivery. I know people don't think about that as much, but it is a possibility. We've got a white 160, about a 4-inch tail left on it. A fashion chocolate 260 with about an inch and a half left on it. A white 260, about 2 inches left on it. I've got a 5-inch round white, and I've taken the liberty of already drawing a little ghosty type face on it. Don't you love my artwork? I should be in the Louvre. And then a gray 260 with about a 2.5-inch tail up on it. We're going to start with our gray 260. What you want to do with it is start on the nozzle end and make, these need to be small pinch twists. So that's about a 1/4-inch bubble there. Make 2 of those together on the very end. Position them so that they're opposite of each other. Now we're going to make a little small bubble. Be a little bigger than that. There we go, about a 3/4-inch bubble. And then we're going to need 2 more small pinch twists just like those. Don't you love all these pinch twists? I do. 2 little small pinch twists. This is going to make a headstone, a tombstone, whatever you want to call it. What you're going to do is you're going to make a fold twist that goes up from where we just finished off with those pinch twists and comes back down to these pinch twists over here. And that's what, about 8 inches or so, 7 or 8 inches. Twist it into those pinch twists on the other side so you've got essentially that. Now we're going to take and come out from those pinch twists with another small bubble, about the size of that one in the middle there, so about a 3/4-inch bubble, and make a single pinch twist. So make you about a 1/2-inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist. Now you're going to want to stretch it up over the top, sticking closely to that. You want it to hug it till you come down for your level across. Mark that spot. Twist the bubble there. Now we're going to make a little small 1/2-inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist as well. Then we need another little small, about a 3/4-inch bubble like these ones we had over here. And you're going to twist back into those pinch twists when we come around the other side to these pinch twists here. Twist into that. And then we're going to just pop this excess off and secure that up in there. Just like that. And then get it all straightened up. There's your fairly quick and simple little tombstone or headstone. Now we're going to take our fashion chocolate here. And what you want to do, take your nozzle in and twist it into one of these pinch twists out on the end. And this is going to make the ground and also just make our base to hold this little thing up. You're going to come out about 1.5 inches to 2 inches in the back. Make a bubble, then we're going to make a little small 1/2-inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist. Then come across about the width of our tombstone here. So you're going to see where you come across to that other side there. Twist that. And then you're going to make another small 1/2-inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist as well. And then you need a bubble the same size as that one there. So come back into the other side of our tombstone, this other pinch twist on the opposite side. By having the solitary pinch twist, that'll help hold it straight. And then with what you have left over, make sure it's kind of soft. Come all the way around and bring what's left of your nipple in here and twist into this opposite pinch twist right over here. Twist that in. Really good to secure it. And you kind of shape it up a little bit like that. And that represents our grave. We've got a little tombstone in the end and a little grave, and then we're going to have a ghost coming up out of that. So we're going to set that aside. We're going to start, and let's start with our arms. We're going to take our 160. You're going to twist a little small, about a 1-inch bubble on the end of that, and then we're going to make 2 little small pinch twists, so a little bitty 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist, another one just like it, pinch twist. So we've got 1 bubble, separate, and then 2 pinch twists. Now we're going to make about a 1/2-inch bubble, another 1/2-inch bubble, and then we're going to make a 3rd one. This 3rd one will become a pinch twist. Then we'll make another one, and we'll have another pinch twist. So what you've got now is our first bubble, a pair of pinch twists, 2 bubbles, and another pair of pinch twists. And you can let go of that, but now it's soft enough that we can come back and put that in a moment when we need to. And what we're going to want to do here is go out about 8 or 9 inches, put a twist in it, measure back to the same size again, so we've got 2 equal bubbles there, and then come back and attach on the other side with these other 2 pinch twists over here. Now before we proceed, we want to put our twist back in that we lost there, so just retwist that, just like that. Now it should stay. Now I need 2 more bubbles the same size as those 2 there. So 1, 2, and then come in and join the other side on these other pinch twists over here. And then we'll position those like that. We need another little bubble the same size as that one there. Just like that. Pop this excess off. Let's trim that. This is going to be his arms. There's his little hands out there, his fingers, and he's got his thumb sticking up. So we're going to put that aside for a moment. Now we'll grab our 260. What we're going to do with this, we're going to start here at the very end of it, the nozzle end, and make a pair of little pinch twists. So a 1/2 inch bubble, make a pinch twist, another 1/2 inch bubble, make a pinch twist there. And then we're going to want to fold it not in half, because we want some excess sticking out on the bottom there. So fold it where you've got about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches of inflated balloon left on the bottom. And come up and twist that point, and we're going to put 1 little pinch twist there, so a 1/2 inch bubble, make that a pinch twist. Now with what we have left, we're going to twist this. There's different techniques for doing this. Some people take and hold it opposite hands and spin it. This is a technique that I use. I'll take it because I'm right-handed. I'll hold this opposite end here, my left hand. Then I'll take my right hand and bring it up between it so that this one rests between my thumb and forefinger, and then I'll grab the other with my pinky and ring finger here, and then I'll just twist it as I pull it with my left hand, turning it with my right, keeping it sort of snug so it twists nice and tight there. Then once I get to these back 2 pinch twists, twist the spot on it, and then twist it into that. Just like that. Now we're going to take our 2 arms and twist them onto that pinch twist there. Hang on, spin them around a time or 2. And then our head, if I can hang on to it, the same way. Twist it into that pinch twist as well. Ooh, so you've got your little ghosty coming out at you there. We're going to kind of curve him up. Now we're going to bring our tombstone back over here. And this extra we had left here, doesn't matter which one, but come in and pick a pair of these pinch twists, either one works, and just twist that excess tail you have left into that to attach him. Twist it around 3 or 4 times, and then when you bring it back around over here, so we can get him to straighten up for us, you've got a ghost coming up out of a grave with his arms held out so that he can hold some flowers or whatever you want in there. And then just put your flowers and have them come down. Put his head like that. There you go. Our little Halloween or Doomsday birthday delivery.